Well, it's December 7th. We're ready for primer on the inside and with the 4-piece fixed there. Floor's ready to go. All the factory plug holes are filled up. There's 18 of them suckers. Various places that were unnecessary. Then about probably 4 that I might have put in back when I had the battery in the trunk and holes drilled in a different place. But anyhow, it's looking good. Working on it here a week or 2, I guess. And we're gonna, like I say, shoot some primer here in about 2 minutes. Been blowing and sucking sand out of this thing for half a day, so he's ready to go. So yeah, looking good.